This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You already have the case and buds charged. Now act. Start by opening the case and pressing the small pairing button for about 3 to 5 seconds so the LED flashes. This puts the earbuds into pairing mode. Once done, make sure your phone's Bluetooth is on and visible. Keep the phone within 1 to 2 meters. You'll see Xiaomi Buds appear in available devices. Tap it to connect and wait for the confirmation tone. That indicates a successful initial link. Once paired, open the Xiaomi AI Life app or the Bluetooth device settings to finish setup. You'll want to update firmware first because stability and codec support improve. Then, customize touch controls so single tap, double tap, or long press do what you expect: playback, skip, or summon your assistant. Make sure to configure active noise cancellation and transparency modes to suit your environment. Also adjust the equalizer for clearer vocal. You're almost done. Use them daily by placing buds back in the case after each session so they charge. Make sure the charging contacts are clean and free of debris. Otherwise, one bud might not charge. If the earbuds become unresponsive, reset them by holding the case button for about 10 to 15 seconds, then repair. If one bud keeps disconnecting, toggle mono/stereo in device settings or repair the single earbud. This resolves most audio drop issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.